Looking to tackle DIY projects, furniture assembly, or tech repairs without wrestling with bulky tools? Then you need a cordless mini screwdriver that packs precision, power, and portability all in one. In today's video, we are reviewing the top 5 best cordless mini screwdrivers, combining sleek designs, powerful torque, and smart features like LED lighting, USB-C charging, and multiple speed settings. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. UnaMela 140-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. If versatility is your priority, the UnaMela 140-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is a powerhouse. This all-in-one precision toolkit includes 120 bits and 19 disassembly tools, making it ideal for electronics enthusiasts, PC builders, and tech repair professionals. The electric screwdriver itself features a pen-style ergonomic design, offering 5 torque settings from 0.15 to 0.35 Nm and a speed of 200 rotations per minute. The 350 mAh lithium battery charges quickly in 1 hour via USB-C and offers ample power for extended projects. What truly sets this kit apart is the expansive accessory set. Number 4. SHARDEN Mini Electric Screwdriver. For those looking for precision without breaking the bank, the SHARDEN Mini Electric Screwdriver is a strong contender. Designed specifically for fine electronic repairs, this screwdriver comes with 24 magnetic bits, including Phillips, Torx, flathead, pentalobe, and more, ideal for smartphones, laptops, watches, and cameras. It offers a dual-speed electric mode, 0.15 Nm and 0.35 Nm, along with a manual torque of 7 Nm. The 350 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 500 screws per charge and recharges fully in less than an hour via USB-C. 3 built-in LEDs brighten your work area, and a front/rear button design allows for intuitive screw-in and screw-out functionality. Number 3. Bosch GO 3. The Bosch GO 3 stands out with its professional-grade performance and premium build quality. This mini electric screwdriver is tailored for users who demand precision and reliability. With 7 torque settings, it allows for exact torque control, a must for delicate electronic repairs and intricate DIY tasks. The universal bit locker ensures a tight grip on any 1/4-inch hex bit, reducing the risk of slippage. Number 2. Worx WX240L 4V Cordless Screwdriver. The Worx WX240L is built with simplicity and practicality in mind. Featuring 3 speed settings, slow, medium, and fast, it adapts to a range of screwdriving tasks, from delicate electronics to basic household repairs. Its maximum speed of 300 rotations per minute makes quick work of larger fasteners, while the slow mode is great for precision tasks. Compact and ergonomic, this screwdriver is easy to grip and maneuver in tight spots. At only 7.2 inches long and just over an inch wide, it fits comfortably in hand and can be used for extended periods without fatigue. The low battery indicator ensures you're never caught off guard mid-project, and dual LED lamps illuminate your workspace even in low-light conditions. Included in the kit are 12 bits, Phillips, slotted, Torx, and square, along with a 2-inch power bit and magnetic bit holder, all stored in a molded plastic case. Charging is quick and efficient with a USB Type-C port, providing modern convenience without the hassle of specialized chargers. Worx delivers an affordable, user-friendly screwdriver perfect for casual users and light DIYers. Number 1. HOTO Electric Screwdriver. Sleek, efficient, and feature-rich, the HOTO electric screwdriver is the epitome of modern DIY tools. With a durable build and a minimalist design, it delivers impressive functionality wrapped in style. This tool features 12 ultra-tough S2 steel bits, stored securely in a frosted aluminum alloy case. The double-layered soft grip handle ensures comfortable use, and at just 0.55 pounds, it is lightweight yet sturdy. The screwdriver includes a no-shadow circular LED that automatically turns on when in use, making it easy to work in dark corners or under cabinets. There you have it, the top 5 best cordless mini screwdrivers to streamline your DIY or repair work. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.